What is up, guys? It's that GTA fan 720, and I was in the process of purchasing a new set of screen protectors because the one on my current phone is cracked, and I saw this. Now, you might be wondering, what is this for? Now, this pack comes with two screen protectors, so obviously I would have a spare screen protector, and I thought, why not do a review of this screen protector and all of my cases that I have for the Note 5. These aren't all the cases that I own, but this is a good example of some of them. And so I bought this little thing, and essentially what this is a dummy phone. So it's like those fake little, trying to think of a good way to open this. That works. And that didn't work. Hold on, give me a sec. This was packaged really well because I can barely even get it open. Oh, here we go. I think. Almost got it. Nope. Yep. Okay, there we go. So it's in this little bag. This was packaged extremely well. And move this knife out of the way. And what this is essentially, how does this open? Oh my god. This is, trying to open this with one hand while filming, because I don't want to scratch this. This is a bad idea. And here we go. It's basically just a fake dummy Note 5, and it's extremely cold. The metal is on the side is extremely cold, but then again, that would make sense. So you might be wondering, why the heck did I buy this when I have a real Note 5? Oh my god, that's cold. Well, first off, because I can. Second off, it was cheap, and I don't want to sacrifice a real Note 5. And third off, because case videos. A lot of people are doing case videos, and I wanted to do some case reviews. And I own a Note 5, so that's the phone that I have all these cases for. And so it only makes sense that I would want a Note 5 that I can actually show the case on. And I film with my Note 5, so I can't use my Note 5 to film the case videos because I have to show the phone in the case. And because I don't have the money to afford a second Note 5, I bought this because this is the next best thing. Now, granted, basically what this is a dummy phone. It's made out of the exact same material. What is going on here? It's made out of I think it's because it's the white, and I've never had a white Note. I've seen the black Note 5 and the gold Note 5. And now I've seen the white Note 5. So the only Note 5 that I haven't held in person is the silver one, which is actually the one I really wanted, but that wasn't available in the States. But all the other colors were. So this is the white version, and basically the S Pen is fake. The S Pen does not come out. It is at least I believe so. I don't think, no, yeah, there's no S Pen there. It's just plastic. It actually has a little bit of a clicking sound, but it doesn't. And the home button also has a clicking sound, but the side lock and volume buttons do not have a clicking sound. These are affixed. And it even has a little screen protector on the front, which is nice. So this is actually like brand new. So this is, when you go in like a Verizon, or in this case an AT&T, this is like the phone that they have on display when they don't put a real phone on display yet. This is like the fake dummy phones. And that's basically what this is, only it's for Note 5. So basically what I can do is I can have this little thing, and if I have a case, let's say this Ring Diffusion, and I want to show what the phone looks like in the case, I just pop the case on. And in this case, get it? In this case, it has some port covers. And now you can see what it looks like on the Note 5. And this is really nice, so I can show off these cases and do proper reviews of them while actually showing what they look like on the phone. So this is definitely a plus. And so that way I can test the durability of these cases also, because throughout this week I'm going to be posting really short case review videos throughout the next couple weeks, because I have a lot of these cases and I'm doing tests of all of them. So throughout the next 2 weeks I'm going to be doing case reviews, and that'll also include drop tests. And I specifically got this so that way I can show what it's like for the, well, not the buttons in the, actually, because the buttons don't press, but as far as getting access to the ports, to all the S Pen, the screen protection. So if I set it face down, how much protection does it give? And also, like, does it work with wireless charging, which that I can't really demonstrate, but okay, yeah, so it seems kind of stupid, but whatever. The main thing is drop tests, is that because this is using the same materials as a real Note 5, I can do drop tests and see if the phone survives in those cases, which would be pretty unfortunate if it cracks, but better this than an actual $300-400 Note 5. See what I'm getting at? So basically that's what's going on. Why is my camera not focusing? I think it's because it's the white. It doesn't want to focus. Let's just put it on the front now. There we go. So anyway, guys, this is my unboxing of the white dummy Note 5. This is AT&T. So this is what I'm going to be using for all my case videos, which are going to be coming up very shortly. So anyway, guys, this is That GTA Fan 720 signing out, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace.